guys, it's Samantha Eric here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my fall wash day routine, and I know it's been a while since I've done a wash day routine for you guys, but nothing much has really changed. But this routine that I'm going to be showing you is a routine to help keep your hair moisturized and help to retain length. But before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscription button down below, and don't forget to hit that little bell next to the subscription button so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that I do when I'm washing my hair is to pre-poo my hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections because I like to work with my hair in 4 sections. Okay, so today I'm going to be pre-pooing my hair with oil, and I already have my oil mixture here. If you guys are interested in seeing how I create this oil mixture to do my pre-poos, I'll leave a link somewhere in the video or in the description box down below so you guys can check that out. But I'm not going to be doing that in this video because I already have a video showing you guys how I create this oil mixture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start on the first section, and each section I'm gonna separate into smaller sections just to make sure I get all of my hair covered in this great oil. Okay, something's leaking here. Oh my gosh, so my bottle is broken, it's cracked. It actually cracked right here, so the oil's coming from here and here. Okay, that's okay. I don't have another bottle, so I'm gonna have to make this work. So after I'm finished applying the oil to each section, I'm just gonna go ahead and roll it into a bantu knot and move on to the next section. So I left the oil to sit in my hair for about 5 hours. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my plastic cap and unravel all of my bantu knots. My hair already feels super soft and super moisturized just by having the oil sit in it, and this is what my hair is looking like right now before I rinse the oil out. It's very soft, as you guys can see. It's very moisturized and shiny, but I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse all the oil from my hair before I start my shampoo process, and I am rinsing my hair with lukewarm water. So after I'm finished rinsing all of the oil from my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my hair into 2 sections so it's easier for me to shampoo. So I'm just gonna pin this first section out of the way, and I'm gonna start on the other side. And the shampoo that I'm using today is by Camille Rose Naturals, the Sweet Ginger Cleanse and Rinse, and it has Asian ginger, nourishing essential oils, and castor seeds, which are specially infused for moisture retention and slip. So I really love this shampoo. It does leave my hair feeling very moisturized, and the reason that I love this shampoo is because of one of the main ingredients, which is ginger, because ginger is a very good hair conditioner. It's very rich in minerals and essential oils, and it makes my hair feel very soft and makes it more manageable and shiny. And if you are suffering from dandruff or dry and itchy scalp, ginger is a very good remedy, so this shampoo is good for that. It contains natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, and it helps to keep the scalp very clean and healthy. So as I'm shampooing my hair, I like to give myself a quick scalp massage, not only to cleanse my scalp, but also to stimulate the blood circulation, which channels more nutrients to my hair roots, which in turn stimulate hair growth. So after I'm done shampooing my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and thoroughly wash all of the shampoo from my hair. You want to make sure when you're rinsing your hair to get all of the shampoo out, just because leaving shampoo in your hair can cause your hair to become dry. Although the shampoo is very moisturizing, it's not meant to be left in your hair, so make sure you rinse all of it out so you can avoid your hair from becoming dry and brittle. After I'm finished rinsing all of the shampoo from my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and condition. And today I'm conditioning my hair with the Camille Rose Naturals Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. And this is a culinary cocktail blend of nourishing oils to soften and protect the hair's moisture barrier the natural way. So when I'm applying my conditioner to my hair, I like to just go ahead and separate my hair into 4 sections. And I'm just going to be starting on this front section right here. And I'm going to just apply my conditioner thoroughly throughout my hair, making sure that all of my hair is covered from the roots to the tips. And then I like to go ahead and detangle each section of hair so that when I'm finished rinsing my conditioner from my hair, I don't have to worry about having super tangled hair. After applying my conditioner to all my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and put back on my plastic cap, and I'm gonna let this conditioner sit in my hair for about 10 minutes while I take my shower. After my shower, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my bantu knots and rinse all of the conditioner from my hair. This conditioner leaves my hair feeling super soft, and it also gives my hair amazing slip. I love how this conditioner makes my hair feel, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it all out. Oh, and I do like to rinse my conditioner out with cool water. Rinsing your hair with cool water helps to make your hair cuticles lay smoothly, which gives your hair a more shinier appearance, and who does not want their hair looking shiny? So yeah, I'm just gonna rinse it out with cool water. Anyways, guys, I guess this is pretty much it for today's wash day. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, do not forget to hit that subscription button down below and that little bell next to the subscription button so you guys can be notified anytime I post a new video. Anyways, guys, if you do have any questions for me, don't forget to leave them in the comments section down below and I will respond to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!